Have you ever stopped to consider what education truly means? It's a term we use daily, but its definition extends beyond the classrooms and textbooks. At its core, education is a complex and multifaceted concept, as varied as the individuals it aims to enlighten. It's an amalgamation of knowledge, experiences, personal growth, societal norms, and so much more. It's a lifetime journey, a transformative tool, a cultural transmitter. Education is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It is as diverse as the learners themselves. Traditionally, education is seen as a systematic process. It's a journey of gaining knowledge, skills, values, and habits, navigated through teaching, training, or study. This often unfolds within the structured environments of schools, colleges, and universities. However, it is not the only way to view education. Some view education as a continuous journey. A lifelong learning perspective illustrates this, emphasizing the importance of ceaseless learning, exploring and adjusting to fresh information. It's an ongoing process, a voyage of constant discovery and growth. Yet education is more than just a journey of knowledge acquisition. Others view education as a holistic development process. In this perspective, education isn't just about academics. It's about nurturing the whole person, developing social, emotional, physical, and cognitive skills that are vital for personal growth and success. But there's more to education than personal growth. Some believe education is a tool for empowerment and transformation. It's about sparking our innate ability to think critically, solve problems, and make a positive impact on society. This potent force of education can truly transform us. However, the meaning of education extends beyond individual transformation. Finally, education is seen as a means of transmitting culture and social norms. It's a bridge connecting generations, preserving collective wisdom while shaping societal mores. Education in this light is the keeper of cultural continuity. So, as we can see, education is multifaceted, encompassing personal growth, societal progress, and the cultivation of knowledge and skills.